And that discovery came in a field about which I knew nothing, namely what was then called economics and later more precisely called finance. How did I come to discovery? Well, because of a picture. I was visiting Harvard to give a seminar in economics on some work of mine and saw on the blackboard of my host a certain drawing. I told him, how come you have on your blackboard the drawing I'm going to use in my lecture? He said, I had no idea what your lecture was going to be about. This drawing is about the behavior of cotton prices. Well, we had a chat before my lecture and also afterwards, and I decided right on the spot that cotton prices deserved extremely careful attention. And back to IBM, made a certain number of tests. The tests were absolutely phenomenally successful. That is, I had, in a very short time, a model of variation of some speculative prices. In economics, I argued, there's no reason why prices should be continuous. If a piece of news arrives, a price can go from, say, 100 to 10 or 2 instantly, or to 300 instantly. Therefore, I had to accept the notion of discontinuity in the model of price. Now, that idea didn't occur to anybody else.
After many years of careful research and testing, these methods are now available to you in an easy-to-use and understand form. With our easy-to-download spreadsheet templates, you can use your own data to produce complex analysis and predictive information. We even have a self-contained, simple-to-use program. All you need is recent price information to generate what we believe are more accurate predictions than any other innovation commercially available today. This unique tool is now available for you only at forexfractal.com.